Shri Devendra Kumar ji.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, first of all, I salute all the warriors who take part in this Corona COVID-19 pandemic, sir. Doctors, nurses, policemen, sanitary workers, and all NGOs. Accordingly, my state government of Tamil Nadu has already incurred more rupees 7,200 crores on various relief measures and to upgrade health infrastructure. I further rupees 2,000 crores is expected to be needed, for which our Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has already requested assistance from Government of India. Rupees 9,000 crores as a special grant to Tamil Nadu out of 1 lakh crore loan raised by the Government of India from the Reserve Bank of India. Currently, sir, more than 80,000 tests are performed per day at a cost of nearly rupees 4 crores per day. Hence, I request through you, sir, at least 50% of the cost of testing should be covered under PM CARES, as it is more effective strategy to control the spread of COVID-19 virus. As far as in Tamil Nadu, sir, due to this COVID-19, only 8,751 deaths have been reported in 5 lakh cases positive and 4 lakh 81 cases patients have been discharged from hospital after treatment. This is due to the effective performance of our state government and health department, sir. Sir, in my view, that the good governance and key policy of our NDA government led by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji will help the country towards fighting against this unprecedented challenge, and let's hope India will come out of this pandemic in the near future, sir. Sir, Health Minister is sitting in this house, sir. I thank Health Minister and Prime Minister for 1 minute, sir, for permitting AIMS Hospital to Tamil Nadu, and in 1 year they are approved 10 medical colleges to our Tamil Nadu, sir. But our DMK colleague members, Mr. Dayanidhi Maran, during his debate speech, who intended to create a panic among Hindu-Muslim unity, sir, thereby wrongly focused that Muslim brothers were blamed for spread over this virus. Sir, our Prime Minister treating all Indians equally, for which I strongly condemned. On behalf of my AIDMK party, I appeal through you, sir, to compel him to withdraw his views. Sir, and our Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, who took various necessary steps to bring back our Tawheed Jamaat Muslims from Delhi to our Tamil Nadu, sir.
Honorable Member,
I thankful for the Union Government, Prime Minister and
Honorable
Home
Member
Minister,
Shri Bedruddin
Railway Minister,
Ajmal
and
ji.
all through this.
yes,
I support. Thank you.
sir.
வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லைக் அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம எங்க சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.